Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here we are out here in Buffalo, right across from the casino. We're continuing with our information about this right here. But today we have good news. So thank you for watching our series here. We are the NCREASE Elite Income Builders. We help individuals with their financial situation, into the pandemic, maybe you can't go to work or things like that, but today we're telling you that the virus has eased down and you can go back to work. Everything is getting better. So we are the NCREASE Elite Builders. We help people with their income. So today we're talking about HFX. That is a way of trading. And so, even though we're across from a casino, what do they do at the casinos? Well, they gamble. And some people, they misunderstand that, okay, well, isn't HFX trading, is that also gambling? But we're here to tell you, nope, it's not gambling. So watch the video after this right here, because they're going to describe to you what HFX trading is and how it is not gambling. Because we are the NCREASE Elite Income Builders. We help individuals all over the world with their financial situation. We are a very unique company, so check us out. Also, at the end of this video, they're going to describe who they are, and they're waiting to hear from you because they have some contact information they would like to relay to you to help you out with your financial situation. Because we are the NCREASE Elite Income Builders. We have members all over the world. We love helping individuals with their financial situation. So thank you for watching this video, and also watch the video after this. They can describe what is HFX trading is, and you should get involved, because if you want to earn income, if you want to make money within 30 seconds of trading, you got to get on it. So thank you very much for watching this video. We're going to continue to tell everyone about the virus, you know, if you're being affected by it, struggling financially. We are the Elite Income Builders. We help individuals all over the world with their financial situation. So thank you for watching this video, and contact the information, the person below. They're going to have the information below this video. Contact them. They're waiting to hear from you. Okay, have a blessed day and stay safe.
This is an illustration. I'm going to break down what the HFX strategy is, or binary options. Remember, they're the same thing. So I'm going to break down what this strategy is and how you can do it. And anybody that's watching, if you're watching this live or you're watching the replay, you can actually do this. Let me kind of show you how this works here. So you got 0 seconds that represents here, 30 seconds on this side right here, and everything in between right here is just time. So 0 seconds goes all the way to the finish line. That's basically 30 seconds. So this just represents 30 seconds of time. Make sense? Okay. Now, when we're trading HFX, there's a lot of different things that you can trade. Currencies, gold, silver, oil, currency pairs, and of course even companies like McDonald's and Facebook and all these different type of companies. I'm sure everybody here has heard of Apple. Okay, guess what? We can trade Apple. I like trading Apple here with HFX. I'm having really good luck with Apple and some other ones as well. Okay, but kind of give you an example here. We're going to trade some Apple stock. We're going to do an example here. I'm going to show you how this works. Okay, so pay close attention. Okay, now when you're trading HFX, depending on whatever you're trading, whether it's oil, whether it's gold, silver, currency pairs, whatever, right? Each item is going to come with what they call a payout percentage, okay? For example, okay, in this example here, let's say if I was going to trade some Apple stock using the HFX strategy, let's say, for example, they're going to pay out a 92% payout. Okay, and this number can change. It could be 80% one day. It could be 70% the next day. Let's say it's 92%. And I've actually traded actual Apple stock with HFX while it was at 92%, a 92% payout. And remember, this number can fluctuate, okay, depending on whatever you're doing, okay? Now, let's say, for example, we're going to do a $100 trade, okay, for 30 seconds. We're going to do a 30-second, trade of Apple stock, and we're only going to trade $100. Now, basically, so what do you mean by trading? What are you doing? Well, let me kind of give you an example. We're either typically buying, okay? We're going to either buy a trade, right? or we're either going to sell. Meaning, if I'm buying, if I'm going to do a $100 buy of Apple stock with a $100 trade, I'm basically predicting that the price of Apple stock is going to go up over the next 30 seconds. And at the end of those 30 seconds, if the price of Apple stock is actually higher and my prediction is correct, guess what? I'm going to win money. I can even predict if Apple stock is going to go down in the next 30 seconds. And if my prediction is correct, guess what? I'm going to win money as well. So here in HFX, we can make money if the price is going up. We can make money if the price is going down. Just all depends on what you're trading, okay, and how you want to trade. Now, let me kind of give you an example here. We're going to do a buy here, okay? I'm giving you an example of a buy, okay? Now, watch this. Let's say, for example, here, this line here represents the price of Apple stock. Let's say it's whatever. It could be really high up here, or it could be really, really low down here near the bottom. Let's just say when I entered the trade, okay, I entered it right here. So whatever that price might be, okay, hypothetically. And what's going to happen is it's going to, on this little system that we've got, it's going to actually draw an entry line here, and it's going to stretch that line all the way to the finish line, which is what? 30 seconds. So meaning, I'm going to predict, okay, I'm making a prediction here based off of what NCREASE is telling me, our experts are telling me. They're saying, hey, we're predicting that the price of Apple stock is going to go up over the next 30 seconds. Buy, everybody buy, everybody buy. And I'm going to buy right now. So when I hit buy, what's going to happen is going to show this little line. You've seen this line go up and down when it comes to the price of stocks and everything. So it's doing its thing and it's going down. So here, let me pause it. I'm pausing it real quick here. The object of the game is, as long as when this line reaches the finish line here, as long as it's above this entry line right here, guess what? We win the trade. That's the object of the game. That's it. Told you this is easier than, Angry Birds. It's just easy, right? So the object of the game is I'm predicting that the price of the stock of Apple, which is right here, is going to be higher than my line of entry. So it should end up somewhere above this line, okay? Like it is now. So let me hit play again. So it's doing what it's doing. It's moving around. It's doing its thing and all that and everything. And then it finally finishes. And again, it didn't matter that it went down here because all that matters is where it's at the end of the finish, okay? So it finished above that line. So whatever that price is here when I started, but if you look here at the finish, it's actually higher. So what does that mean? I just won $92 in 30 seconds, okay? Now, I know I went a little longer explaining this. It probably took about a few minutes, but in reality, when I hit start, boom, it's going to pay me out a $92 profit because I did a $100 trade. So I just walked away with $192. And guess what, guys? I didn't have to talk to anybody. I didn't have to do a 3-way phone call. I didn't have to send nobody a link. I didn't have to get on a webinar. I didn't have to do any of that. All I had to do was hit this little green button right here. That's all I did. Okay? So that's why I say it doesn't matter what you've done in the past. You can actually do this business. Okay? You can actually learn this strategy. Matter of fact, let me show you how this works here. Watch this here. Check this out. Now, here's a live example of actually me doing a live trade of actual Apple stock. Told you I trade Apple all the time. It's one of my favorite ones out of HFX. There's other ones that I use as well. It's not just Apple, but I just happened to have recorded it when I did this. Watch this here. Here's an example.
And what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to do a sell. I think I'm going to do a buy here. You see the ball here went down, but it's going to go back up here. So I'm going to predict that it's going to go back up here and like it's doing now. And I'm just going to enter that trade. So the object of the game is see my line of entry. This is when I just hit the green button. So here's my line of entry. So I got to make sure that this ball stays above this line for the next, 15 seconds, which is this line right here. So, so if it can stay above this green line, let's see how much we'll win. I did a $100 trade on Apple stock, and let's see what happens. Yeah, I'm gonna win this trade. I won that trade. How much we win in 30 seconds? Just won 192 bucks. Well, boom. And I did a 30-second trade with a $100 trade for 30 seconds. And all I did, I just hit the green button and just won $192 just like that. And I can do it again and again and again if I want to. So I just made almost a couple $100 in 30 seconds. So that's how simple this is.
Simple. Here's a few examples of the other people winning some trades. As you can see, just different currency pairs. The green represents that they won. The white represents the amount that they traded. So you can kind of see, you can even see some that they lose, just like with any kind of trading strategy. You're going to win some, you're going to lose some, but as long as you're winning most of your trades, which is what we teach, we show you how to make those predictions. So most of your trades, you're actually winning. So I think they won 10, I think, and lost. Well, out of 10 trades, look like they lost one. I think the same with this one. I don't know how many this one was, but look, this was Home Depot. They were trading Home Depot here. So.
Hello everyone, Ron here. It is Tuesday, and I just wanted to shoot this quick video to show you how you can grow your trading account by 10%. Yes, 10%. In 30 minutes without having to sell anything or talk to anybody. So I'm going to show you how, real quick. Now, some of you know that I started this new program about a month or so ago, and wanted to always learn trading. And this is about the best platform that I have seen, the best program I have seen, the best financial education I have seen. And I've looked at a lot of different programs. And hey, if you don't want to stay in front of a computer all day and get in, stay in trades all day, you want to get in and get out quick, I'm going to show you how in just 30 minutes to an hour a day, you can do all you need to do to grow your trading account by, as I did today, by 10%. So without further ado, I'm going to change my screen here and share my screen here and show you exactly what I did this morning. Okay, here we are. We're in my trading account here, and you can see, this is for the naysayers here. You can see this is my live account. This is not a demo account. This is me. Here's my picture here. So you can see this is my live account. This is today's date, April 27th, 4/27. Now, we jumped on a live session this morning at 11 a.m. This is where we follow the experts, and they do their live trading. And when they tell us to buy, we buy. When they tell us to sell, we sell. So we started trading USD JPY. We got a couple of wins there. So basically, if you can push a green button or a red button, you can be successful. You can see today, in the span of just about 32 minutes or so, we executed 8 1-minute trades. These are 1-minute trades. You can trade for as little as 30 seconds here. So we executed 8 trades, and we won 6 out of the 8 trades. And you can see the profit, and you can just add these up for the profit. But bottom line is I gained 10% gain on my trading account in just 32 minutes here with just, quick in and out trade. Okay, so there you have it. That was just a summary of my trading this morning from our live session at 11 a.m. Hey.
Really, really simple here, guys. It's definitely not rocket science. But again, like I said, profits disclaimer, past profits don't guarantee future profits. It just goes with anything. I mean, whether you're trading stocks, whether you're trading, cryptocurrencies or whatever, when it comes to the trading markets, the great thing I love about HFX, it's not that it's any different than any other type of trading strategy. The one thing that makes it different from a lot of other things that I've seen is that the simplicity of it, okay? That's typically been the roadblock for a lot of people to get into this game, is that it's very complicated, whether it's Forex, whether it's this, whether it's that. And we've got Forex training and all that great stuff here inside of NCREASE also. However, the great thing about HFX, it levels the playing field. So now everybody can play, and you don't need a college degree to figure it out. And that's a great thing that we've got here. And again, with HFX, requires no selling, no recruiting, no auto ship worry, and no problem. Okay. And yes, you can do this. We've got all this actually under our umbrella inside of NCREASE University, which is what NCREASE offers. It's one of our products that we have here. We have several products in several different niches. We're not a Forex company or whatever. We've got a lot of different things. This is one of our exciting products that we do have that's creating a lot of buzz online is the Increase University pack. And inside the Increase University pack, you're going to get access to HFX information, our live trading sessions, trade ideas, increase indicators, and even more even under the Forex training. We have a lot of Forex training as well. So basically going to give you the financial education that you need to be able to make money from home without you having to talk to anyone. Okay, makes sense. This is what that product provides. It provides you a way of how you can make money from home without having to do any recruiting or selling if you don't want to do any of that. And we have, of course, as you know, when it comes to trading, there are people that are making hundreds of dollars a day. There are people that are making thousands of dollars a day in trading. There are people that are making tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, and there are people that are making millions of dollars per day trading. Guess what? And we have that education to show you how to do the same thing.